Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video I'm going to be doing nutrition facts and befunky.com. I'm pretty much going to show you how I started. So to pretty much start, you need a white background, something that is just plain. So of course I went to Google and I Googled white background to, get just a plain white slate. And then you're going to go ahead, go to open, computer, once you saved it. And then from there, you go ahead and just find your image, and bam, you have your white background. And then I'm going to crop it down pretty much to that rectangular shape of the nutrition facts, like that. And then from there, you can pretty much just go to the text on the side, add text. And then, from here, you can click on this and you can choose the different fonts. They do have a lot of fonts on here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use that. All right, let's see what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and capitalize all of this, nutrition facts. And then this right here enlarges your font. All right. You can just go ahead and stretch that out and move it. Come on, move for me. And move it to where you would like it to be. Now let's see. Let's go to add text. No capital lock this time. Serving size 1. So let's go ahead and put this right up under here, like so. Is that in the middle? All right, that looks a little in the middle. Now let's go ahead and add text. 100%. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to make it larger. Okay. Now, it does look like this, but it's always on a nutrition facts. You want your 100% to be over here. So go ahead and get the little, what is that? I don't know what that blinking thing is, but get your little blinking line together and then just space it as far apart as you can. Okay, and as you can see, it stops. So all I need to do is just stretch this a little bit, get my blinking line, and space it some more, and that's pretty much all that you do. And you just continue that all the way down. And so if I were to be done, let's go ahead and go to save. Christmas facts. Christmas facts save. Okay. Now that is saved. Now let's go over here, because I know some of you are saying, or were asking, I tried to save it, but it's not coming up. Where did it go? For example, my pictures and images that I save, like from Google, saves automatically in my pictures. Like all of my images go to pictures. But for some reason, when I save from befunky.com, the pictures are no longer in the pictures. They're in my downloads. So maybe you have to look in another area. What did I name them? This Christmas facts. Yep, Christmas facts. Yep, right here. And as you can see, it is right here, Christmas facts. It's in downloads. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Now, format corrections, I would go there just to make it a little bit more crisp. And to get the lines I actually add my lines when I'm in my publisher program. So I would go to format, no I wouldn't, I would go to insert, shapes, and I would go to the line. And then of course, you know, click on from one end to the other. That is a little crooked. There you go. And that's pretty much what I do. That's how I add my lines. Now let me get a background picture border. Make this a little bit thicker. Okay, there we go. And then I would just simply copy that line. And then of course paste it and bring that line over here. And then I would just keep doing it for every word that I had. Yeah, so that's pretty much how I do the nutrition facts and Be Funky. But you know, if you don't want to do all that, which I know some of you don't, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that, I will have this Christmas nutrition facts on my website for $1, I guess, if you want to purchase it to use. If you would like custom nutrition facts, you could just, I guess, just let me know in the comments and I can make some to put up there. I mean, for $1. Yeah. I mean, yeah, if you want. Okay, so anywho, this will be up there. I'll have the link also directly to it in the description box. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys